Good morning, friends. Today I will teach you the passive voice of past indefinite. Okay. What is the rule? What is the formula of past indefinite? First of all, we read it. Active voice, subject plus verb to plus object. This is the formula of active voice of past indefinite tense. And passive voice formula is here: object plus was या were plus verb 3 plus by plus subject as a object. Okay, friends, now we will learn how to change the passive voice of past indefinite. What is the rule to change past indefinite tense into passive voice? Okay. He wrote a letter. He is subject here, wrote is verb 2 here, and a letter is object here. Okay. First of all, according to formula, we will apply a letter as a subject. Okay. So here object, according to formula, we apply here object a letter, and then according to formula we will apply was. Was is here helping verb. Wrote changed into written. Wrote verb 2 form of write, and written is the verb 3rd form of write. According to formula we will apply by, and then we will apply object. What is the object, or what is the objective case of he? Him. He is subject here and him is object here. Objective case of he is him. In this way we can change the active voice into passive voice. He wrote a letter means he was written later in the past tense, and we had changed it into passive voice in this way. A letter was written by him. Okay, in this way we can change the past indefinite tense into passive voice. Next, she sang a song. What is the rule here to change the passive of active voice? What is the active voice? She. She is subject. Sang verb 2, and a song is object. What will we do to change this sentence into passive voice? We will take a song as a subject, and was will apply for helping verb, and according to formula this saying will be changed into sung. Okay, then we will put by according to formula, and then we will apply here object. The objective case of she will be her. Okay, in this way we can change she sang a song into passive voice. A song was sung by her. Okay, in this way we can change this sentence into passive voice. Next, you kicked the ball means you kicked the ball. Okay, what will be the passive voice of you kicked the ball? The ball was kicked by you. We will apply here the ball as the subject, and was will be applied as helping verb, and according to formula kicked will be changed into kicked. Okay, what is the verb 3rd form of kick? Kicked. And we will apply by according to formula you as an objective case. Okay, the ball was kicked by you. In this way we can change the active voice into passive voice. What is the active voice? You kicked the ball. And what will be the passive voice? The ball was kicked by you. Okay, in this way we can change the active voice into passive voice. What is the formula of active voice? Subject plus verb 2 plus object. Okay, and passive voice formula is object plus was या were plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. Okay. Next question. Rahul told a story means Rahul told the story. What is the passive voice of Rahul told a story? Rahul told a story is in past indefinite tense. Okay, if we will change past indefinite tense into passive voice, we will have to apply this formula: object plus was ya were plus verb 3 plus by plus subject. What is the object? A story. Okay, so we will apply here a story, and then helping verb was, and then we will put told as a verb 3 form, and then we will apply by according to formula. And Rahul will be changed by him. Okay, here will be him, or you can also apply Rahul. Okay, both of them are right. In this way we can change Rahul told a story into passive voice. A story was told by him or Rahul. Okay friends, I would like to request you, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. For this I will be very thankful to you. Okay.